How to avoid a Medicaid spend down in Florida? That's today's question. And it's a good one. We get this one a lot where people say, like, I'm coming to you, Jason, I'm coming to you, Elder Needs Law team, because I have money and I don't want to waste it. So how do I avoid what everyone calls a spend down, right? Just spending your money on things to get yourself down to Medicaid's asset level requirements, which are currently $2,000, right? If you have more than $2,000, you're not eligible for Medicaid. And I think this is in some ways a misnomer. Uh, when you come to, I think some people think when they come to an elder care attorney or a Medicaid planning attorney that they're just going to be told, spend all of your money and then we'll apply for Medicaid. That's not what we do. That's not what should be happening. As part of the discussion, when talking about how to qualify someone who doesn't naturally qualify for Medicaid, we're going to be talking about certain practical items that might make sense to spend your money on, such as prepaying your mortgage, paying off credit card debt, um, buying things that you need that would make you safer and be able to stay in the home, or things that will make your stay at an assisted living facility nicer. So because you are allowed to spend your money on anything that you need or want, you just can't give it away. That's what the kind of the spend down is often referring to. But the goal is not to be wasteful, right? We're not going to suggest, if you are coming to us with hundreds of thousands of dollars, that you spend your money all in one go. When we're talking about a Medicaid spend down, once we get the practical spend down items out of the way, we're now looking to think about things more strategically. We're going to think about, again, every case varies. We're going to think about what type of special needs trusts might make sense. We're going to talk about whether it makes sense to get money into the hands of a trusted family member, whether it's because they're doing work or through what we call a promissory note. So there's different ways we can do that. We're going to talk about whether it makes sense to purchase annuities, purchasing real estate. I mean, there's a lot of different ways that where we can spend down the money in a way that is not wasteful, in a way that makes sense, in a way that improves the quality of my client's life while they're alive, and then makes it more likely that they'll have something to pass on to their heirs when they pass away. To talk about a specific Medicaid spend down plan is really going to be unique to your circumstances, but it is never, let's just spend all of your money. In very rare cases, is it going to be, let's just spend all of your money all in one fell swoop on things, on stuff, on services. That is often not a strategic and good use and not a really good way to protect your assets. So when you come to our office, we're going to develop a customized plan to spend down your money intelligently, and typically in a way where it's not even really being spent. It's really, you can think about it more like it's being set aside for your benefit, so you can still utilize it and still benefit from your money for the rest of your life, while also receiving these really valuable government benefits. So we work with everyone throughout the state of Florida. And if you'd like to set up a consultation, there's a phone number right behind me, right there, and we'll go from there. Set up a consultation, or you can send an email to scheduling@elderneedslaw.com, and we look forward to serving you, serving your family anywhere throughout the state of Florida. Thanks a lot. Take care.